One of the questions that economists seek to answer is how valuable is the money used in an economy? Now that you know about price indices, you can answer that question. Let's start with some simple observations. In June, you go to the store and see a sign that advertises a liter of pop for $1. So $1 is worth 1 liter of pop. In July, you notice that the same store is offering 2 liters of pop for $1. The value of the dollar has increased, at least in terms of pop, because that same dollar now buys you 2 liters, or twice as much as you were able to purchase in June. Let's look at another situation. In June, the price of a liter of pop is $1. In July, the price of the liter of pop changed to $2 per liter. In this case, the dollar has lost its value because the dollar will only buy half a liter of pop. Thus, the dollar is able to only buy 1/2 of what it could buy in June. There's an easy formula that allows us to calculate the real value of a dollar. First, the formula for calculating the real value of the dollar is $1 divided by the price level. The price level can be either the GDP deflator, which we calculated earlier, or a price index. The procedure for calculating the real value of a dollar is to 1. Write down the formula for calculating the real value of the dollar, which is $1 divided by the price level. Substitute in the price level using either the GDP deflator or a price index, and divide the $1 by the price level. An economy has a GDP of 2. What is the real value of a dollar? The first step is to write down the formula, which is the real value of a dollar is equal to $1 divided by the price level. In this case, the price level is being measured by the GDP deflator, so we would substitute in the GDP deflator for the price level. Since the GDP deflator is 2, we will substitute in 2 for the GDP deflator into the formula. Next, we'll divide $1 by 2, which gives us 0.5. So the interpretation of this is that when the GDP deflator is 2, the real value of a dollar is $0.5, or $1 only buys 50 cents worth of goods and services. Let's look at another example. An economy has a price index of 0.338. What is the real value of a dollar? The first step is to write down the formula. The real value of a dollar is equal to $1 divided by price level. Second, we're going to need to substitute in the price index for the price level. Next, since the price index is 0.338, we will substitute that into the formula. Next, we'll divide $1 by 0.338. That gives us $2.50. So the interpretation of this is when the price level is 0.338, the real value of $1 is $2.50. That is to say, $1 buys $2.58 worth of goods and services. As a final exercise, is it possible to have a situation where $1 is equal to only to a penny? See if you can figure out the answer to this puzzle.